Edo State government don't do correct Ogbonge check on top the agriculture and aquaculture empowerment wey dem do for farmers wey dey the 3 senatorial districts of Edo State. Edo State government, through the office of the Special Advisor to Edo State Governor on top agriculture, forestry and food security program, Honorable Prince Joe Ogbonge don carry waka go 13 different farms wey dey the 3 senatorial districts of Edo State to go do better check on top the agriculture and aquaculture empowerment wey dem do for over 1,000 Edo farmers. Una go sabi say TMC TV don do plenty reports on top agripreneur programs, and this one wey dem use 4 days do so na to take shook better eye put for inside the Ogbonge work wey dey shele for the fish, cassava, rice, maize, sweet potato farms and poultry pen where those state governments take empower farmers wey dey Edo North, Edo South and Edo Central, as this one go improve their level of productivity, make food fit boku for ground and still plenty yafu for Edo people after this year corona don carry im own comot for we land. On Monday 27 July 2020 wey be the first day of the program, Honorable Prince Joe Ogbonge wey be the organizer come carry im people waka go Agricultural Development Program Office wey be ADP for Benin City to go do better check on top the aqua harvest wey dey shele for the fish farm wey government don do to take help some Libya returnees wey be fish farmers. Honorable Ogbonge come talk say after the fish farmers don harvest all their fish finish, dem go come carry am give better off-takers wey go help them quick sell am, make dem fit see Ogbonge profit on top am.
Actually, what you're seeing here is part of our agripreneur program. We have 100 fish per pond with 100 Libya returning that the governor and the government of the Edo State empower to participate in the fish production. As you can see, some of them are harvesting and the off-takers are coming to pick them up. So this program started about 4 months ago and they're harvesting, and we're about to start another cycle of production.
Dem comot from the fish farm, come waka go another place for ADP where dem keep plenty cassava stem wey dem wan share give some cassava farmers for Edo State. Honorable Ogbonge come tell tori people how dem take get the cassava stem and how dem go take share am give the farmers.
And we got these improved stems from IITA. The state government invested in the improved stems from IITA, and we are giving them to farmers in their various farms. If you came here about a week ago, there were quite a number of them here, and quite a bit have been picked up by the farmers, and we still have more farmers coming to pick up their inputs and their stems.
From there, they come carry waka go Ikpobaoka local government area where dem for do correct check on top the feeding, rearing and management of the better fish wey boku for Ute Fish Farm. As Joel Oseahume wey be the PRO of Ute Fish Cluster, they give tori people better informate on top how dem take dey sell their fish wey many so. Uzezi Ude wey be their chairman come carry correct Ogbonge fish give Honorable Ogbonge as he talk say do well for their body, and as Obaseki government dey sweet them for belle so e go good may he just carry go for his second term.
We thank God to Obaseki for the good things wey they do, but some of us don't see a lot. By this weekend now we go begin to receive the fish feed and the fish wey he promised us.
Our special advisor on agriculture to Edo State Governor for the canned gesture they have paid for fish farmer in Ute. I'm standing on behalf of the farmer with this little fish that we have put here to say thank you for your assistance, thank you for coming, thank you for your cooperation. Whatsoever the rain, the weather, I sure that the Lord is your strength, and we are putting our back on you, our hand on your vote on the day to come back so that we can able to enjoy the dividends of democracy in Nigeria, in Edo State as a whole.
Then come out from there, come waka go AIB fish farms for Temboga, where them for do another check onto how them take they maintain the fish wey dey inside their fish pond. Then finish with aquaculture, come begin do check on top maize farms as then carry waka go Ologbo to go look the Ogbonge plowing, harrowing and planting where government tractors and bulldozers they do for a buyout of 300 hectares maize farm. Then come out from Benin City, come carry waka go Sobe maize farm, where they almost ready for harvest, as all the corn big, come still fresh well for eye. Honorable Ogbonge come follow tori people yarn on top how they take get this correct farm and all the better things where they don't do for inside them.
So people dey here when they live here, and they also they farm here. But with time and different government coming on board, the land, they can't leave them. Nobody can do anything for the farm. When Godwin Obaseki come the state as governor, he can't clear the land. So now we can begin farm the farm. As you can see, this one, now our early wet season farming, when we start for May. Then this one, now be the late wet season farming, phase 2, when we just plant for July.
For the second day of the agripreneur check will be Tuesday, 28 July 2020, Honorable Ogbonge and him people still carry waka go Irua, where them for go check waiting the shelle for Usugbenu 180 hectares maize farm, where he gets 90 farmers. Honorable Ogbonge come talk said the corn don't grow well. Sake of say them put correct fertilizer, mechanization and care on top am. After they finish the check wey dem dey do on top maize, they come begin do cassava own as them carry waka go Igwembe local government area, where them for do Ogbonge check on top Udo 300 hectares cassava farm. For one part of the farm, the tractors and bulldozer wey government provide, they do better clearing, plowing and harrowing to take prepare the land for the cassava stem where they wan come plant on top am. For the second part, they don't already begin harvest the cassava where them first plant before, even as them get small land quarter where them they try clear. They can still carry waka go the Ilushi 250 hectares rice farm where them been they go before. When they can finally reach the farm for evening, Honorable Ogbonge come talk say this farm where he find for ice so they different from the rest, sake of say them no aggregate farmers for it. On Wednesday, 29 July, will be the third day of the check where them they do, Honorable Ogbonge is still carrying people follow body go Esak or West local government area to go see as tractors and bulldozers where government buy, they do correct plowing, harrowing and planting for Agbede 216 hectares rice farm. Some of the farmers where they for Agbede Rice Farmers Association come here and say this one way Obaseki government do give them so, now the first of in kind. So all of them go vote well for Obaseki, even as God go bless them nyafu.
We dey Agbede city, no be evil time because Obaseki don't use Ancheto city for us. For the farmer, we dey enjoy am well. For we the farmer, we dey enjoy wetin they do. We never see this kind one before. Now Obaseki is coming for second tenure. We want am make he come, make this work when he starts, he go continue to the end. Because I know when he come back, he go do more. This one when he do na small one. And this farm go continue when Obaseki come back. I made a vote for her. I made a vote for her. From now, all the old farmer association, the day he back, and the whole Edo state, the Obaseki back. Agbede himself, they know they use Obaseki play. Obaseki na their number one. Now number one for Edo state.
Them come out from Agbede, come still carry waka go again about the rice farm, where it gets 91 hectares for in phase 1 and 73 hectares for in phase 2. And now 33 hectares them share give 100 farmers. Then meet some people where government don't pay to the drive bed come out from the farm. Make them no come chop the rice where just they grow for there. The Omoya Ovi of Wekpawanu, Chief Oyase Kasambaza, where be one of the farmers where them aggregate, come still shook mouth put on top the farm matter. As he talks about the sweet and well on top this Ogbonge thing where Obaseki government don't do for them. He come pray say may Obaseki win this election, may Edo farmers fit continue to enjoy the correct empowerment where government they give them so.
With the farm rice for this place, as they come, I'm very happy. If they continue to do like this, everything will be all right. The way when they help us this year, everybody happy. We must win. The airport give us this year. Because of that, we go support her. Our God will support her.
From Agenebode, they can carry waka go Onwa East local government area for night. To still go do check on top Quara rice farm, where it get 500 hectares with 125 farmers. Honorable Ogbonge can talk put on top how them take get the land and all the better things where government don't provide for the farmers.
As you are aware, one of the major risk factors that our farmers face is land clearing. So these are third year farming here. The first year, it wasn't mechanized farming, and the governor said we did a a pilot farm here with about 440 hectares.
It was not like a test run.
It was just a test run to see. It's a pilot, like I said, to see if this species of grain will do well in this particular land. When I showed Mr. Governor the video, he said next year my farmers will not have to go through this in order for them to produce. So he approved that we clear 500 hectares of land here so that the farmers that live around here from Warake can farm in the contiguous space, which is mechanization from beginning to the end. So that's what you are seeing here.
I am the farm head of Warake farm, where Governor Obaseki carry call give us for where we sit down. First of all, we thank God where he give am that sense where he think say poor people dey for Edo State. We also specially thank the SA because we know na him call this Warake, take his leg, go enter our forest. When he shake our hand, not be like this we be before, all of us we call the shine. When he shake our hand, he say, who got this? I will say, now our own. Now they call this trees, now we say, now we. He say, government will do something about it. We think say, now play as usual for Nigeria. We surprised they say, those as they come, make they call clear all this land. And the matter we did it today. We farm rice, they bring everything for us. After they clear, they bring tractors. For Warake, plenty tractors. They call do plow, harrow, carry chemicals, come give us about 2 trailers. Worth millions of naira. We think say, na joke. Now so we see rice they grow, rice we never see before. They say na 3-month rice. True, the rice count 1, 2, 3 more rice don't mature. What that shall never hurt. Now so we take harvest last year. So this wonders way Governor Obaseki called do for us. We will not go fit tack am enough. Now make una help us tack am. Anytime we come Warake, all of us will go give am the tank we need to give am. The God way the guy farm, where they feed poor person, we Obaseki remember poor people. Now the God will make her come second tenure. Not be so. Now so it be. So now so we take Siam. God go let Obaseki get the victory by the grace of God.
On Thursday, 30th July 2020, will be the last day of the Ogbonge check where them they do. Them carry waka go Fort Farm where they Ekenwa to go chuka a put for the poultry pen where they just do. As government collaborate with private sector to do both the poultry pen and the sweet potato farm where them get for there. They can see say some of the sweet potatoes don't even ready for harvest. Who is when say will be the CEO of Fort Farm, Konyan say this collabo where them get with government so don't help them achieve plenty of Ogbonge things on top the farm.
We first came in here on a small scale, but with the encouragement we got from the government, we chose to go pretty large on this. So what we have here is a complete poultry hub that takes care of everything from the hatchery system, the feeding system, the production of poultry, broilers, and the most interesting part of the entire thing is the processing of those poultry into ready-to-eat birds. Yeah, I think this is the first of its kind in the south part of Nigeria, and we will definitely be able to supply the needs of the entire region in the south. Yeah.
After they don't come out from Ekenwa, Honorable Okoja and him people come carry waka go Orion local government area where they for do their final check on top Abudu Cassava farm. They can't see say then they prepare the land for cassava planting. Even as the farmers get some land quarter where them they drag, Honorable Okoja still follow the farmers yarn, come still try solve the land quarter.
I was said by the commissioner, by my commissioner.
Who's your commissioner?
TS, Minister of Environment.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
What I'm interested in is this particular place that we are about to use for this cultivation.
Yes, sir.
Has this particular land been reserved?
Yes, sir. This land, the matter is in the court, both High Court and Magistrate Court presently. Let me explain. The court now gave an injunction that nobody should do anything here until the matter is decided. Because
do you have a copy of the injunction?
No, I don't have a copy.
For now?
Yes, sir.
You guys need to stay clear of this land. My name is Joe Ogbonge. I'm the Special Advisor to the Governor on Agriculture, Forestry and Food Security. The government is about to start an agripreneur program here. And we have aggregated farmers that will farm here. The program have been fully funded. In the meantime, you need to leave them alone and let them approach. And you need to show me documentation that this land is yours. Okay? So it's not proper for you as a government agency that is supposed to support government programs
no, sir.
to be disturbing government programs.
Yes, to inquire because from the office, they say I should come, my boss. say I should come and know what's happening here. That's why I'm here, sir.
This, we are going to do a cassava project here, which governments are fully funded. Okay? Under the agripreneur program.
I will report back to my director.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Dis na the ogbonge informate wey we bring come for una on top inside Edo today, as Edo state government don do 4 days ogbonge check on top the ogbonge work wey dey shele for different farms for Edo state. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry dis ogbonge informate come give una, and my name na Oiza Aboriogun.